u Abbas Araghchi Menteri Kambari Jongkari Irant. Ulapen bena baka jingïakren bat ke Amerika ka la Kut junom da ka bakdo ya ka jingshet kala bat ka jing bamla ban pen urlong ya ki jing kular.
I don't think the question of talking with Americans or negotiation with Americans once again would be on the table, because we have a very bitter experience of talking with Americans. We negotiated with them last year in last June, and they attacked us in the middle of negotiations. And again this year, they tried to convince us that this time is different. They promised us that they don't have any intention to attack us, and they wanted to resolve Iran's nuclear question peacefully and to find a negotiated solution, and we finally accepted. But again, after 3 rounds of negotiation, and after the American team in the negotiation, said itself that we made a big progress, still they decided to attack us. So I don't think, talking with Americans anymore would be, on our agenda anymore.